Technology is advancing to a level where it is actually blurring the lines between reality and fantasy. And as always, countries like Japan and Saudi Arabia, the hubs of groundbreaking innovation, have stepped up in a way that has left the world stunned. While the United States boasts that humanoid robots have already captured the public's interest, other leading countries aren't going to sit and watch. So, they introduced a robot woman who was so lifelike and so advanced that it left everyone speechless, especially men. From the appearance to equipment, these robots are a few of the most astonishing innovations ever. And in this video, we will break down everything about these robot women. Number 1. Sophia. Sophia was developed by Hanson Robotics. Introduced in 2016, the humanoid became globally recognized for its striking similarities with a woman. Known for her human-like appearance and ability to engage in natural conversations, Sophia was designed with advanced AI and realistic features, such as silicone skin called Frubber. The material made her capable of displaying almost 60 expressions, which enhanced Sophia's interactions with humans. When creating Sophia, Dr. David Hanson wanted a robot that would embody the robotic vision when interacting with humans. The cameras in her eyes are there to help her recognize faces and maintain eye contact so that you would feel like you're talking to a real human being. Sophia has a cloud-based AI, which has given her access to large data sets, which she has learned from interactions, and she continues to improve her conversation skills. Her speech and natural language processing capabilities have enabled her to discuss predefined topics, answer questions, and even crack jokes. Not only that, but Sophia can also read and interpret human emotions, which has made the robot even more emphatic. As absurd as it sounds, we do have a robot that's empathetic. Sophia has featured in The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. Her appearance on the show created a lot of hype when she talked about real-life issues and even addressed the United Nations. In 2017, Sophia was granted Saudi Arabian citizenship, which sparked a lot of controversies in the robot industry. Since she was the first robot to achieve citizenship, many people raise questions about the ethical implications and the potential need for robots' rights. This shows that despite embodying innovation, a robot has the potential to stir trouble. Sophia has the potential to be used in education, healthcare, and customer service. However, her existence itself raised ethical questions about AI rights and social integration. However, her performance has been outstanding during the past 9 years. Number 2. Maha. Maha is the creation of Dubai, which has been a global hub for technology and innovation for years now. The way Dubai has transitioned from a small village to a tech-driven city with a growing economy is actually astonishing. The humanoid robot was created to exemplify the country's stride in robotics and artificial intelligence, while showcasing capabilities designed to improve human-robot interaction. The country's innovations are often showcased at events like the GITEX Global 2024, and one such display featured the Maha. As a humanoid Emirati teacher, Maha is built with IMU sensors, 3D sensor cameras, and speakers to enhance the teaching experience. Maha is equipped with advanced facial recognition and natural language processing features, which enable it to communicate effectively in Arabic and other languages. The language part has allowed Maha to engage in many meaningful interactions, including the ones that require cultural and linguistic adaptability. While not much information about Maha's building has been revealed, we do know that Maha can serve as a guide or assistant. The humanoid robot is dressed in an Arabic robe-like dress and adorns a hijab in her hand, which makes her the only humanoid robot with a Muslim outlook. Maha is equipped with human-like actuators that have enabled the humanoid to make fluid and lifelike movements. Having high-quality audio systems has facilitated her with clear speech and auditory interactions. This humanoid robot has been engineered to ace in any field, especially in education, healthcare, and households. While the robot amazed everyone, men have been especially fascinated with her. The idea of having women at their service who can do all their jobs without asking for anything in return or without nagging them is a dream for many men. And with a lifelike robot woman like Maha, that dream became a reality. Maha was a sneak peek into Dubai's innovative vision. It presented the country's commitment to cutting-edge technologies and cultural representation in robotics. Number 3. Jia Jia. Jia Jia is China's groundbreaking humanoid robot, which was introduced in 2010. Back then, when the idea of a human-like robot was nothing more than a fantasy or a plot of a sci-fi movie, Jia Jia took the tech market by surprise. Jia Jia was created by the University of Science and Technology in China. This pioneering humanoid robot is approximately 1.4 meters or 4.6 feet tall with articulated limbs. Having basic walking and turning abilities, the robot has pushed the limits of what machines can do. The robot is equipped with cameras, microphones, touch sensors, speech recognition, pre-recorded speech suggestions, facial recognition, and pre-programmed emotional expressions. Jiajia can recognize and respond to basic spoken commands and can even exhibit basic emotional responses. When the robot was first released, it sparked fascination and excitement among the public, who were amazed at Jiajia's lifelike features and basic interactive capabilities. However, as the robot gained popularity, many concerns and skepticism were also raised. Many people were concerned about the ethical implications of advanced AI and potential displacement. Apart from that, many also got into a debate about the degree of realism achieved by Jiajia. However, as the robotics industry progressed, many other humanoid robots were introduced. Japan's Junko Chihira and Denmark's Geminoid DK also had a human-like appearance and movements. This gave people an exposure to the world of artificial intelligence. But despite all the new humanoid robots, Jiajia had the ability to display a wider range of facial expressions and more seemingly natural human interactions. As per experts, in a few years, AI will do most of the work that is currently being performed by humans, and in 2010, Jiajia was a highlight of that. 4. Nadine. Nadine is a gynoid humanoid social robot that was modeled on Professor Nadia Magnanat Thalmann. The robot has a very strong human-like appearance. With natural-looking skin, hair, and realistic hands, one can easily mistake it for a human. The socially intelligent robot can return a greeting, make eye contact, and can remember all the conversations that people have with it. Nadine is programmed to answer questions autonomously in several languages and simulate emotions both in gestures and facially. With 27 degrees of freedom for facial expressions and upper body movements, Nadine can assist people with special needs by reading stories, showing images, sending enables, and even communicating with other members of the family. As per the testing, the robot can be a receptionist or even a personal coach. In 2017, Nadine was displayed at the Art Science Museum in Singapore, where it has interacted with more than 100,000 visitors. The robot had also worked as a customer service agent at AIA Insurance Company in Singapore, marking the first time a humanoid robot was used as a customer service agent. The Japanese robot was built with the objective of maintaining human-like natural conduct even in complex situations, and the years of display have proved that the robot has successfully lived up to the objectives. Currently, Nadine can support English, Hindi, Chinese, German, French, and of course, Japanese. After making her first appearance at the Art Science Museum for the Human Plus, The Future of Our Sciences exhibition, the robot was displayed at several other events. The robot was last displayed at the Bright Hill Evergreen Home in Singapore, where it assisted the elderly in playing bingo and playing with them. Number 5. Erica. Erica was labeled as the most beautiful and intelligent robot in Japan. The humanoid robot can detect when you're laughing and can even reciprocate. Erica is designed to look like a 23-year-old woman. The humanoid was designed to become a TV news anchor in Japan. Erica can also work at any desk job since she has the capability of reciting scripted inputs and sitting in a chair. That makes her eligible to do what most humans do. The robot was built by Hiroshi Ishiguro, who is a director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University. According to Ishiguro, Erica was initially supposed to be a receptionist, but after being developed, her functionality made her more suitable for being a news anchor. Along with 2 CMOS cameras and 2 microphones in her head, Erica has 44 pneumatic actuators. Having a total of 44 degrees of freedom, the robot has 13 degrees of freedom in her face, 4 degrees of freedom in her neck, and 18 in her arms, 3 in her torso, and 6 degrees of freedom in her arms. The face, hands, and arms are all built with silicone to make them appear similar to real skin. Erica is programmed with ROS, Java, and Python, and powered with 0.7 MPa compressed air to drive the pneumatic actuators. The technology may have been getting innovative, but it is somewhere scary now. To know someone can make a replica of me and make it act just like me sounds scary and amusing at the same time, right? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video!